Hey, what's up, everyone? Today we're going to be discussing the double chance bet on Betway. So, as you can see here, Everton FC is playing against Brentford FC. Everton is the home team and Brentford is the away team. This match is going to be taking place on the 15th of May. So, these are all the bets, but I'm currently under the popular bets. I'm going to scroll down to the double chance, which is what we're going to be discussing today, and I closed the other ones just for your convenience to understand. Cash out means that you can be able to withdraw your money during the bet or while the game is still playing. Double chance actually means two chances, two possible chances of you winning the bet. If you're gonna go for the first one, which says Everton FC or draw, which is what you think will happen in this match, then you're gonna choose that one. Given that you're choosing this one, you can't choose the other two. So that is how it works. You're either going to choose the first one with these odds. Here we have draw as well as Brentford FC. The odds is 1.72, as you can see here. The last one is Everton FC winning or Brentford FC winning, and these are the odds 1.33. So you're either going to choose one of these options here provided to you, and the one with the less odds is the one that is the most probable or the one that is most likely to be the outcome of this event. If you decide to go with Everton FC or draw, you're going to click on it. It's going to appear on your bet slip and you click bet now at the bottom. So I want you to note that if you go for two options in one match, it's not going to happen because this is going to be shown to you, the one that I'm highlighting here, that you cannot bet for two options in one match. So you have to go for either of these three options. If you want to go for draw, then you bet for it. But if you want to go for the last option, you also bet for it. This is how you do your bets. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you again on my next one.